happening? YouTube, welcome. It's been a few weeks since my last video. I ain't really done much to the car with what's going on at the minute. Had a few parts come, so that's what the video is going to be about today. Nothing too long. I'll probably add it to the other video that I've done. The car's nearly there now. I only need a few more silly little bits, get it MOT'd, get my tyres on. It's still a bit awkward at the minute getting stuff like that done, but check this. Can you guess? So I just thought I'd open it with everybody else. I haven't opened this yet, so some may know what it is, some may not. The only thing is, just got to get into it. Can you guess what it is yet? Can you guess what they are? Hey, Lexan windows for the front. Wow, they look sweet. As you can see, get this out of the way. Sorry about the shadow and that. So I paid extra to have a window put on it, which is quite cool. Do you reckon you get a? Do you reckon you'll be able to get a McDonald's bag through there? So yeah, the plan is to obviously get these fitted. I don't know how I'm fitting them yet. Some I've got to have a look at, because some people do it where they don't put all the rubber and the plastic back on. They just like put them on, rivet them all the way around and leave them. But I want it to look OEM, so I want like the plastic door trim to be put back on and all the rubbers on the top. So yeah, that's what I've got to figure out. So I've got to get some more pop rivets. I have got some, but I don't think they're the right size. I'm going to try and use maybe 4mm ones. I think there were 4mm by 16 length, I think. I'll have to have a look on eBay at my ones that I got for the rear. Try and use the same ones. So yeah, once I can get these all mocked up, I'll drill them and then rivet them on and then my windows are on. Just put all my seals and that back on. Wow, well bright here, aren't we? Hey. Yeah, get all the seals and that back on. Once the windows are on, I've basically got to put my tyres on my wheels, but I want to get my wheels powder coated. So I think what I might do is take the tyres off, get the wheels powder coated, and then get my new tyres put on. I've got some Nankang AR1s, so I'll get them put on, and then basically it's take it for an MOT. Right, today's job. Let's have a look. Started taking the door strips off. I'll take all that off. Just got to take the mirror off, because today fitting the Lexan windows. I'm just going to get them. Yeah, as you would have saw a minute ago on the video I did the other night when they came. I'm just going to try and fit them now. So, let's have a look. So yeah, I'll take the mirror off there, look. So if I take that off, take the rest of the seals off. I think I've got enough rivets, I'm not sure. I've got a 4mm drill bit, and I think I've got 4mm rivets. Don't know whether I've got enough to do both sides, but I'm going to give it a go and see how I get on. I'm trying to keep it OEM. Some people just like rivet it on and just leave it, but I want it to be look OEM, with the rivets around the sides, still keep the seals on. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera down and get cracking, set up a little time lapse, so keep watching. So here's what I've done. Drilled the hole there, 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 there and there. Can't really get one in here unless I put it in on an angle. I don't think there's going to be any at the bottom, because if you push it in like that, look at the gap there. Gap's huge, so once the wind is in and I put the trim back on, it should come back like that. See, that's what I've done so far, but I think now what I've got to do is take all this off and put the rubber back on here. Put the rubber back on and then rivet it after the rubber's on. So I'm just going to drill these next few holes. Oh guys, I had to cut the video short last week because I ran out of rivets. Well, tell a lie, I didn't run out of rivets. I wanted some bigger ones, so I managed to get some bigger ones. Let me just show you. Hold on. Managed to get, if you can see them, these. So this bit here is longer. I think they were like, will it focus? I think these are like 20 mil. The only thing is, it's a bit fatter the head. So I'm gonna go outside now, get these, try and get this other window fitted in. And then yeah, I think I need to figure out what I'm doing with the bottom of the window, where the window meets the bottom of the door. It's like flexy, so I don't know whether to I might tag it or get some foam and squash it against the side. But I'll have a look at that at a later date. So yeah, just gonna go out there and try and get it fitted now. So yeah, get some time lapses. Peace. That's this side done,
Managed to get the seal back on. It's a bit hard to see because of the reflection. Just got to peel the tape off here. As you see, just put the door seal back on. Hey, that's it. Put the mirror back on. This is what I was on about here. There's a bit of a gap, so when you put, maybe you can see it, when you put the seal back on there, we'll need that to not wobble, so that's going to have to be fixed there somehow. But yeah, put all this on now. Just got to take this bit of tape off. I've put the window in all the rubbers. It's it's all in now, both the windows. Just got to sort this flex bit. Obviously when you shut the window it flex, so I might get some foam to like push it against there, just to squash it for the window. So yeah, we're pretty much there now with the windows. Put that seal on and then it should be good. Got the little lock on there and everything. I don't really know what the next job is to do now, other than fit tyres and maybe get the wheels powder coated maybe, and then basically MOT, so I'm waiting for that. Logbook's still on its way. It's been on its way for about 10 weeks now. But yeah, I'm pretty much there where I need to be with the car now. Right, it's a couple of days after I'll put the windows in. Haven't had a chance to go back out there, but it's been nice today. I was bored after work, so I thought I'd just give the car a bit of a polish. The paintwork's shit on it now anyway, but I thought I'd just give it a bit of a clean up because it ain't been cleaned for ages. So yeah, give it a bit of a polish and I'll go and show you the windows now. Come and have a look, see I've finished now. There they are, all in with a little catch. Oh, I pulled a fly there. Little lock. Did a bit more wiring the weekend, that's all done. Managed to wire this box up. All that's done down there. Still a bit more neatening up over there. Got to cut that, but I've put all the seal on there if you can see. All on. that's all cleaned up.
Right, so that's me done for today. Yeah, you've seen the windows and now I've done them. They look quite cool. The car looks a lot better now it's polished. Even though the paint job's still shit on it. Still need to sort the paintwork out. But yeah, we're getting there now. But yeah, keep coming back to the channel, keep watching the videos. I'll keep my Instagram up to date. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.